My name is Sam Waura. I'm the Storage and Operations Manager in Nellions Moving and Relocations Company. This is one of our storage facility here in Nairobi, where we store household goods and also office goods, because some of our clients want to store some items and put in storage. Then on a later date, when they are done with whatever they need to do, either with their office or their houses, they can come for them or we can deliver them, because we also offer the post delivery service. Post delivery service is just delivering goods from the warehouse to your respective place. We have 5 things that we do here in Nellions storage facility. One is come pick your goods, store them in that lockable space. Second, we store them in an open space. We offer some other services like post delivery, where we just pick the items, bring to your house or to your office, and even set up after the period of time that you have taken in our storage facility. And then the fourth one is when we just come ourselves, pack your goods, bring them to our storage, and even give you details, a list of how we have done the packing and how we have done the delivery here. Then later, we also facilitate when you want to come and collect an item from the storage. Maybe you forgot something in one of the goods that we pack, or maybe you want to add 1 or 2 other items. Security is very paramount in our storage facility, and one of the measures that we do is that we have limited access. We only ensure that only the owner of the goods comes to access the goods from our facility, or come with the goods when we are delivering to our warehouse or when we are dispatching if they need to be there. Finally, we also have CCTV cameras around the facility. No one can be able to just pick anything there. Our facility is also armed, so again you need access from authorized personnel to open and even pick something out of that facility. And finally, we have documentation that we normally do when we are bringing in the goods and when we are taking out the goods. So there is no any way or the other that someone will come and say that my goods were taken by so and so, or any other person picking your items instead of taking theirs, because the documentation is there, the items are well labeled, and everything has to go smoothly because all those things are there. We also ensure that your goods are well packed in either a good box, which we also do selling, and also we also do shrink wrap, which ensures that we cover the goods totally so that it's free from dust. It's also free from anyone seeing whatever is inside as a package, so that we ensure that no one knows whatever we have packed in your house. Even when you're moving the goods from your house to the truck, and even from the truck to the warehouse itself, no one will even see whatever is packed inside. One thing we do is to ensure that we have good tools that we use in our storage facility. One of them being G-belt, trolleys, dollies, and our team is always dressed in a way that they are protected. So our team also wear gloves, a safety boot, and as well the overall. As per the international standards, we have ensured that our warehouses are well equipped with fire extinguishers. We have different types of fires, which one is it needs to be brought down by CO2, the other one by water, the other one by powder. Secondly, we also have a well ventilated warehouse to ensure that the goods from our clients are not molded and they are delivered as we took them from the clients when they were delivering, or when we took them from their respective houses. Then finally, we have palletized all the goods which are on the layer shelf, so that they can not get any contact with the floor to get molded as well, or any moisture from the floor, and ensure that we have secured the goods properly. The ones on the shelves as well, they are not lying on the metallic surface, they are also on a cardboard. Something that I don't want to forget about is that we also do fumigation. We have a record of how much we fumigate per year to ensure that all goods in the warehouses are well protected.